Hello students, this is Ritu Jindal from SDKL DAV Centenary Senior Secondary Public School Mansa, Punjab. Today we are going to discuss the significance, importance of principles of management plus 2 business studies. Now let's start the topic. Significance of management principles provide useful insight into reality, optimum utilization of resources and effective administration, scientific decisions, meeting changing environment requirements, fulfilling social responsibility, management training, education, and research. Now, we will discuss these in detail. Let's start. Provide insight into reality. Before discussing this, dear students, let's discuss an example. Suppose you have received an appointment letter in a multinational companies, you become the manager in that company. As a fresher, you doesn't know anything about the company. बट इन द सेम कंपनी एक मैनेजर है, एक पर्सन है जिसको 20 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है. 20 इयर्स के एक्सपीरियंस से जो कुछ उसने सीखा है, जो कुछ उसने प्रॉब्लम देखी है, सिचुएशंस देखी है, एंड हाउ दैट दीज प्रॉब्लम्स कैन बी हैंडल, उसने वो सारी चीजें he has discussed each and every type of problem with you, means he has shown you the reality which may or may not arise in the future, which type of problems may be arise in future, how you can handle these situations. He has given some guidelines to you how you can work in the future situations of the organization, in the common situations of the organization. He has shared his all experiences with you that will be very much beneficial for you, as without going in the future you have seen the situation of future, you have seen the reality, आपने एक तरह से future का आईना देख लिया, which will be very much benefited for you in the future. That is same with the principles of management. Management principles are the guidelines given by two persons, Henry Fayol and F.W. Taylor, and they have prepared these principles or these guidelines with their experiences, with their deep observations, which will help a manager a lot. They have also given the positive aspects of these principles as well as the consequences of violation. Means अगर आप उनको follow करोगे तो आपको क्या फायदे हो सकते हैं, और अगर आप उनको नहीं follow करोगे then what can be losses. So these are the guidelines which provide insight into reality, जो आपको reality में ले जाते हैं. The principles of management provide the managers with useful insight into the real world situations. Following these principles will add to the manager's knowledge. No doubt, आपके knowledge में being a manager, your knowledge will enhance ability and understanding of managerial situations and circumstances. एक experienced बंदा आपसे अपने experience share कर रहा है, तो no doubt आपकी knowledge, ability, understanding of managerial situations will increase. It will also enable the managers to learn from the past mistakes. Means जो mistakes हो सकती हैं, जो उसने की है, उसे क्या सीखा, वो सारी चीजें that person will discuss with you. It helps managers to conserve time by solving the recurring problems quickly. If you knows the situation, if you have the guidelines, if you have the solutions, just you can follow option to you कि आप चाहते हो या नहीं चाहते हो, that will results into the solution of problems very quickly. Management principles increases the managerial efficiency, no doubt. Experiences, guidelines will solve your problems and increase your efficiency. These guide the managers to take the right decisions at the right time, as you have in advance knows the future positions, future situations, and how you can solve these problems. So management principles provide insight into reality. Management guidelines show us the reality of the future, reality of the business, which will be very much useful for the manager. Now next, second significance of management principles is optimum utilization of resources. Principles of management, guidelines of the management helps the businessman to make the proper use of resources. Principles of management gives the guidelines regarding the situations and problems of the business. He has shared these are the experiences of the persons who make the guidelines that will lead to the manager's useful insight into the realities. जब manager को reality नजर आ गई, then more equipping the managers to foresee the cause and effect relationship of their decisions and actions. Scientific approach, if the managers knows the reality real situation which may or may not arise in the future, then the decisions of the managers depends upon the cause and effect relationship. उनका डिसीजन साइंटिफिक होगा, हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड नहीं होगा कि जहां तीर लग गया जहां निशाना लग गया वही हमारा डिसीजन है, नहीं. He will take the decisions by thinking all the cause and effects whenever he has the guidelines of the some expert persons. So it will lead to the coordinated use of resources. Resources will be used by the managers in proper scientifically approach or proper taking the decisions about cause and effects, which leads to no wastage of resources, optimum utilization of resources, and that will leads to benefit greater than cost. Now next is effective administration. If we have the management principles, guidelines for doing the management, then the administration will be better. It limits the boundaries of the management discretion, management freedom. For decision, the contribution of each and every person is required. It doesn't depends upon the decision of a single person. The decision may be free from that will leads to the decision may be free from the personal prejudice and biases. अगर एक बंदा डिसीजन लेगा तो इट मे बी कि उसमें वो पर्सनल बायस्ड हो, लेकिन अगर सब इकट्ठे होकर डिसीजन लेंगे दैट विल बी द इन द फेवर ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. For example, in principle of initiative is there. Impersonalization of managerial conduct. Management का conduct personalized नहीं होगा. Impersonal means they have to think about the organization when they take the decision unanimously. Managerial powers are used with the due discretion, and that leads to effective administration. As organizational objectives are decided in the team, the group members, not by a single person. So that leads to the effective administration. Next is scientific decision. Again, we have earlier discussed management principles and guidelines for doing the management provide the useful insight into the reality. Managers को reality दिखाते हैं, future की situation दिखाते हैं. That will leads to the decision making scientifically. Manager हर cause and effect को discuss करके in consideration रख के then he will take the decision. So decision in the organization should be scientific. Decision must be based on facts, thoughtful and justifiable in the terms of intended purposes. They must be timely लेना होना जरूरी है. It should be realistic हो, ख्याली पलाऊ नहीं होने चाहिए. And subject to the measurement and evaluation. They can be measured or evaluated. Management principles helps in thoughtful decision making. Decision making will be thoughtful by taking into consideration all the aspects. They emphasizes on logic rather than blind faith. There should not be the blind faith. The decision should be logically taken by the managers. Management decisions taken on the basis of principles are free from the bias and prejudice. Means these decisions are taken collaboratively by all the members, not by a single person. They are based on the objective assessment of the situation. Properly situation को objectively assessed करके the decision should be taken. Now next, meeting changing environment requirement. As we know, the environment is dynamic, and due to that dynamic environment, the management inside business should also be flexible. So management principles helps to make the changing environment in the organization. The management principles are general guidelines, but they are modified according to the changing requirement of the environment. They are not rigid. आप उसको situation to situation mold कर सकते हो. They are flexible to adapt to the dynamic environment. For example, the principle of division of work, specialization, has been extended to the entire business, whereby companies are specializing in their core competency and divesting non-core businesses, BPO, KPO. So according to situation, you can change these principles. These are the flexible. That's why these are known as general guidelines, not the straitjacket solution. As business environment is always be dynamic, चेंज होता रहता है, इसीलिए मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल्स फ्लेक्सिबल है, रिजिड नहीं है. दीज आर जनरल गाइडलाइंस. इसीलिए हम कह रहे हैं कि दीज आर नॉट द सॉल्यूशन, बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम्स में वेराई फ्रॉम organization to organization, situation to situation. So now next, fulfilling social responsibility. Social responsibility is also the part of business organization, as social objectives are the part of objectives of management. So management principles also help to fulfill the social responsibility, as one of the principle is equity, fair remuneration to employees. These principles consider the social responsibility. Management principles have also evolved in response to the demand of the public. It is required to survive in the competitive and dynamic environment. Dynamic environment में survive करना बहुत जरूरी है. The interpretation of the principles also assumes near and contemporary meaning with the changing time. The meaning of principles always be changes with the changing time period. For example, principle of equity, principle of fair remuneration, these are help to fulfill the social responsibilities by the business organizations. Management training and research. If there are principles of management, then these can be the base for training and research. अभी जो आप पढ़ रहे हो वो भी management principles है. So if there are the principles, then these can be the part of curriculum, or there are the chances of training as well as research for the future. Principles of management are at the core of management theory, and these are used as a basis for management training, education, and research. Entrance to Management Institute is provided by the management aptitude test. These tests could not have been developed without an understanding of management principles. Management institutes organize the test. So if there are the management principles, then that aptitude test will be possible. Management principles provide basic groundwork for the development of management as a discipline. MBA, in case of MBA, BBA, there is a part of curriculum. These principles are the part of the curriculum of these courses. Management principles enable refinement of management practices as well as facilitating the development of new management technique. अगर कोई टेक्निक, अगर कोई प्रिंसिपल्स बने होंगे, तभी चांसेस है आगे उसके ऊपर न्यू रिसर्च की एंड फर्दर मॉडिफिकेशन इन द टेक्निक्स. So management principles helps as a management training and research. So dear students, that is all about the today's session, significance of management principles. So now thank you very much. Have a nice day.